Dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss about cracks in reinforced concrete buildings. There are two various types of cracks we are going to discuss today. Before that, you all know crack. You all know witness the crack in your buildings or any infrastructure, isn't it? In what way we can tell a simple definition for crack? A crack is a crack in a structure refers to a separation or fracture in the material of a building or infrastructure component such as concrete, masonry or steel. Simply, I would say it is a kind of separation or fracture in the material. It's called crack. Cracks can vary in size. Of course, it may vary in size. It may be a smaller crack, maybe biggest cracks. So many size of cracks we could notice in our buildings. So cracks may vary in size, shape. Yes, it just varies in many shapes. We cannot predict its shape of the crack. There may be so many reasons for occurring of cracks, isn't it? It is a kind of indicator of underlying structural issues or external influences of your infrastructure. So, being a building owner, we should not simply sit and notifying these cracks. As a owner of the building, as an engineer, we must come forward to address these cracks immediately. What are the types of cracks? The first one is hairline cracks, structural cracks, shear cracks, temperature cracks, settlement cracks. Hairline cracks are often caused by shrinkages. It is noticed easily in your infrastructure. There is no big problems because of these hairline cracks. Then second one is structural cracks. If crack is very longer, is called structural cracks. It happened because of overloading. It happened because of foundation settlement. So we are, as a civil engineer, we must look into structural cracks immediately. The third category is shear cracks. It happened because of heavy loading, especially near beams and columns. It is a kind of indicating shear failure. The fourth type of crack is temperature cracks. It is occurred due to expansion or contraction of the concrete due to temperature changes. It is occurred naturally. The last one is settlement of cracks. This kind of cracks caused because of differential settlement of our foundation. These are the pictorial representation of airline cracks. I hope that you all are witnessed this kind of airline cracks in your buildings, in our locality. These are the structural cracks. See, difference between hairline cracks and structural cracks is comparatively bigger cracks than hairline cracks. Tear cracks, I already explained. This kind of cracks happen near to the beam or near to the column. It's a very dangerous one. These are the representation of terminal cracks. What are the causes of cracking in concrete? There are 6 major reasons. The first one is shrinkage. Concrete shrinks and it causes leading to the surface cracks. The second one is temperature changes. Concrete expands and contracts with temperature fluctuations, creating stresses that leads to the cracking. That is a natural process. The third important reason is overloading. Exceeding the design load of a structure obviously leads to the crack in that building. Then fourth reason is corrosion of reinforcement. When steel reinforcement corrode, it expands, causing cracks in the surrounding concrete. So, as a civil engineer, we must avoid such kind of environment which can create corrosion. Then, fifth important reason is settlement. Uneven settlement of the foundation can cause cracks. Then last reason is poor construction practices. Inadequate curing, poor mix proportions, and improper placement can lead to the cracks. These are the various types of cracks. My dear students, please address these cracks as a civil engineer at very early stage. Thank you.